Everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to undo something when you're using OBS on your PC. So if you made a mistake, a happy little mistake, let's say we drag this all the way over here, and we want to go ahead and undo it. Well, it's easy. So I got volcano. Let's say I moved it all the way over here. Now it's cut out or something like that. And I want to go ahead and completely undo this. So there's my bike in the background. You could hit Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard, and this will undo your changes. You can see. Otherwise, what we could do is go up to File. If we go to Edit, we can go to Undo, Transform Sources, Ctrl Z. So you can see the hotkey right there. Otherwise, Ctrl Shift Z will redo the changes. So I can hit this and go forward. I can hit Ctrl Z and go back. Ctrl Shift forward. Ctrl Z undo changes. So here's my big volcano again. So it's really easy to go ahead and just simply undo a mistake by hitting Ctrl Z. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.